Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 51% gain in MLM within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MLM. Big Money is anticipating some upwards movement for this stock in the coming 1 to 2 weeks. However, the surge in price came much earlier. Entry is on 31st July with exit on 2nd August. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.55 credit and exit price of $1.25. This means that I've collected $2.55 upon entry and pay back $1.25 upon exit. Understanding the rationale of the big money movement is the key to this successful trade. A nice 51% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 31st July with exit on 2nd August. Entry price is $2.55 credit with exit price of $1.25. This trade has achieved a 51% gain within 3 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.